Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If it is your first time passing by the channel, my name is William, and today we're going to a Porsche event. We had to meet with a group of Porsche enthusiasts somewhere in the turnpike. I believe it's at the Snapper Creek gas station. At 11:30 we have to be there. It's 10:40 in the morning, and they're gonna be rolling out at 11:45, going to a winery in the Redlands. I think it's called Schnellby Winery, where they're gonna be meeting, eating, having drinks, and obviously talking about Porsches, which is what we like. So if you like this type of content, if you like Porsches, if you like fast cars, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to help me with a like and stay to the end because this video is gonna be fun. So I got this Porsche back in August of last year, and I barely drive it. Honestly, I only drive it on the weekends, maybe twice a month when I go out on a date with my wife. And the funny thing about driving this car is that every time that I take it out, you have 2 or 3 people that want to race with you. And most of the time it's either people in Acuras, Hondas, or Infinitis. And this is my Porsche in the outside, ice gray with the black rims and the red interior. I absolutely love it. This one is pretty much the same color as mine. Guys, let me tell you, me coming from Cuba and from an island that I was never able to have anything, and now being able to drive a Porsche and hang out with this group of people that have Porsches makes me feel very proud of myself and very thankful to my parents for bringing me to the United States. It is now 10:45. Wow, so we made it from Homestead to the Snapper Creek in 15 minutes. Oh, this one is nice. ¿Este es usted?
Sí.
Está bonito.
Gracias. Pero no me gusta eso. Entonces, pero tan agresivo. Es como vamos a decir que ahora te compro un carro, te compro más rápido. Pero.
Almost a really nice color. Wow, matte black, I like it. This is gonna be a very nice experience. I'm so glad that I came to this event. And it's very, very nice feeling. It's a very nice feeling being able to spend some time with all of these people. You always want to hang out with people that are doing better than you. It's the only way that you're gonna get better. I see McLarens, I see Porsches, I see a little bit of everything. I like the wing on this one. That's nice. 911. Guys, don't forget to give this video a like. If you enjoyed this type of content, give this video a like. Dímelo.
¿Tú haces?
¿Cómo está?
Aquí, tanto tiempo.
Yendo hoy con ustedes un rato a pasar un buen rato.
Yo también.
Oh yeah, good to see you, bro. I'm glad you're doing good. Damn, it's nice. That's what I want. Back when I was younger, I was driving a Nissan Altima, rebuild title, and I used to say that I wanted to drive a Porsche. And now that I have a Porsche clean title, I'm saying that I want to drive a Lamborghini. Human beings are never happy. That is beautiful. My goodness. What a beautiful color, what a beautiful car. Even the rims are nice. This is an amazing event, and I'm so glad that I came. Let me know what you guys think about the new Lotus. Take a look at this one. Black in the front and then red in the back. So nice. I have no idea where to go. I don't know where to look. I don't know where to film because everything looks so nice. These are the same rims that I have in my car. Beautiful sound. It is extremely hot.
Wow.
And I'm wearing black pants. So I'm cooking myself alive. McLaren. This is a nice Ferrari. This one is beautiful. I would prefer a Lambo over a Ferrari, but this one is very, very, very nice. I really like this one. Let me know in the comments. Carbon fiber rims. I would be so afraid to drive this car on the road. Nice Mercedes. Nice car. 911 Carrera T. I like this one. I think I would prefer the Carrera T over the base Carrera. Let me know what you guys think. Take a look at this one. My goodness, what do these people do for a living? I mean, I don't want to ask the guy, but I should. What the heck do you do for a living, bro? Look at this Bentley. Nice. Look at the wrap on this one. This is the lady from Porsche Lady. That car is purple, but she wrapped it and it came out really nice. This is a really nice Bentley. I like Bentleys. I like anything that has 4 wheels and a steering wheel. Even a golf cart. Wow. Shit is nice. Takes is nice. Exposed engine. What happens when it rains? Wow, the exhaust is so freaking hot. Beautiful car, man.
Yeah, not mine, my cousin's.
Tell your cousin he has a beautiful car.
Yeah, no.
I was standing behind filming the engine, and I felt the heat coming from the exhaust. I was like, wow, shit feels like
a lot of power.
Feels like a barbecue. My goodness. What a gorgeous car, man. Look at this one. This one is nice. This is an old Toyota. It's probably imported from Japan. Nice. I like anything that's old school. Rolls Royce. My goodness, what do these people do for a living? Hey officer, how many tickets are you going to be giving out today?
0.
Oh, good.
What's up, baby?
Hey,
Thank you guys for the troopers. You guys do an amazing job. Thank you for keeping the streets safe. I know some people give you guys a very hard time, but we're not going to give you guys any hard time at all. On the contrary, we're going to make your job easy and enjoyable. I know the least you want to be doing on a Saturday is giving tickets and chasing after people that are doing dumb things. All right, guys, it is now time to go. Everybody's getting in the cars. I got mine already turned on. Sport Plus. ready to go. The guy in front of me has no stoplights. I have to be careful with him. I have to get out of him. Get out. I have to move from behind him. All right, guys, I had to take you guys down from the sunroof because the camera kept getting hot and it kept turning off. We have a very nice 911 Carrera T in front of us. Same color as this one, but with the aero kit. Guys, I just got an error saying reduce speed. Driving performance has been reduced. I have no idea what that is. And I got the check engine lights turned on or whatever that is. If anybody watching this video has a Porsche and can tell me what that is, because honestly I have no idea what that is. So as you can see, we made it to the Schnelby and the Rylands. If anybody knows what the problem could be in my Porsche with that alert that I got, let me know in the comments, or once again, you could give me a call. It's the second time that happens to me. And what happens is that it puts the car in limping mode, so it doesn't rev so high, and it's to prevent the engine from getting damaged. That's a nice turbo S. All of these cars are so nice. When it comes to the shades.
You gotta start a new channel, brother.
How are you, man?
Good.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you, bro. Good to see you.
Nice car. Which one is yours?
The silver Boxster with the blue top.
You were riding with us?
Huh?
You were riding with us from the turnpike? No?
I live nearby. I live up in West Kendall, so I just jump on Coleman drive out of it.
Nice. I live 5 minutes away from here.
Oh, you know, you have more something.
Yeah. That's a nice car. It has a really nice interior.
Every year it's bigger.
I know.
Bigger and bigger.
It looks like everybody wants to have a Porsche nowadays.
It looks so.
Take a look at the wrap on this one. I'm sorry.
Can you have someone just stop and say because I have to park outside with my tire up?
You gonna park outside?
Yeah, please.
Okay, yeah. She wants me to stop traffic so that she can come out. I think it would have been better if she waited until all of these cars come in so she can get out. You leaving so early?
No, I punctured the tire, so I have to call.
Oh my God. She got it flat. Sucks. Dímelo. That really sucks. She got a flat tire all the way down here in the Redlands. Feel bad for her. She should probably call a tow truck and get the car towed to the dealer. Most likely I'm gonna take my car to the dealer tomorrow as well, because it is the second time that I get that freaking alert that says reduce engine power. And it really puts the car into limping mode. It doesn't let you rev it. It doesn't let you accelerate. And I really need to get that checked out.
I'll see you there.
I love that car. That station wagon is really nice. Very, very nice. I would love that car for as my daily driver. Nice Spider. That's a nice spot. I was gonna park there when I came in. I just didn't want to be blocking the white Porsche over there. But I was gonna do the same thing. White side. If you see your Porsche in this video, give the video a like. And don't forget to subscribe. That way you support the channel. And I continue to... Hey Melo! What's up, bro?
Everything.
Everything good, man? Good to see you. That's my friend Mike. That Porsche is nice. It's the first time that I see it in person. I've seen it in photos and videos on Instagram, but it's the first time that I see it in person. Oh, that one is nice, man. Totally different. Roof rack and everything. Guys, I'm so hungry that I cannot wait for all of this car school to finish coming in so that I can order myself something to eat. Bueno, mi gente, this is it for the video. I'm going home. I had an amazing time with all of you, and I got to meet people that I haven't seen in years. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. It's completely free. And leave a comment. What do you think of the error message that I got on my Porsche? Is it concerning? Should I take it to the dealer? I just turned on the car and the alert is not there anymore. The car has 13,000 miles and it is the second time that this happens to me. So let me know in the comments, what do you think I should do? Should I take it to the Porsche dealer and have them check out? Or is it not concerning since when I turn off the car, the alert is not there? Thank you for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.